The workshop of the mind. Man's only limitation within reason lies in his development and use of his imagination. Napoleon Hill. Summary. Imagination is the creative power through which desire is given shape, form, and action. Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve, and the imagination is the tool to conceive it. Every great idea, invention, business, or fortune began as a thought in someone's imagination. Types of imagination. Synthetic imagination. Rearranging old ideas, concepts, or plans into new combinations, used in most business plans and problem solving. Example: a chef creating a new recipe by combining existing ingredients. Creative imagination. The ability to receive ideas from the infinite intelligence, intuition, or inner inspiration. Often comes unexpectedly through dreams, flashes, or deep focus. Used by inventors, artists, poets, and visionaries. Why imagination matters for success. Desire is the starting point, but imagination transforms it into a plan. Without imagination, a person may wish but never act. Imagination helps create new products, new strategies, and new paths to wealth. How to use your imagination effectively. Write down your goal, what you want to achieve. Visualize it as if it already exists. Use your imagination to figure out ways to achieve it, step by step. Mix your imagination with faith, planning, and persistent action. Exercise. Take 15 minutes daily to sit quietly and imagine your success in vivid detail. Picture the people you'll work with, the place, the results. Use all 5 senses. Don't limit your thoughts. Dream big and believe it's possible. Warning: imagination weakens if not used. Like a muscle, it must be exercised regularly. Avoid limiting beliefs that stop you from thinking creatively. Conclusion: imagination is your personal workshop where desires are turned into reality. It is the starting point of all achievements and the bridge between thought and action. Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes. The crystallization of desire into action. You have learned that everything man creates or acquires begins in the form of desire. That desire is taken from the abstract and placed into the concrete through definite plans of action. Napoleon Hill. Summary. Desire is the starting point, and imagination provides the vision. But without a concrete plan, your dreams will remain fantasies. Organized planning is where you take clear steps toward making your goals a reality. You must build a detailed plan and act on it immediately, even if it's not perfect. Key principles of organized planning. Build a practical plan. Don't wait for a perfect one. Create the best plan you can with the knowledge and resources you have now. Start immediately. Procrastination is the enemy of progress. Begin now. Improve along the way. If one plan fails, replace it. Failure is not defeat. It's a signal to adjust your plan. Keep going with a new approach. The power of a mastermind group. Create a group of like-minded individuals who can advise, support, and guide you. These people may have skills you lack,
combine strengths. Meet regularly to review progress and refine plans. Qualities needed to execute a plan successfully: self-confidence, decision-making ability, persistence, leadership qualities, specialized knowledge. You don't need to possess all of these alone. Surround yourself with people who complement your strengths. Be aware of these common causes of failure in planning: lack of clear goal, poor decision-making, fear of criticism or failure, not acting on ideas, lack of persistence, not seeking advice from experienced people.
Action steps. Write down a step-by-step plan for your goal. Begin executing immediately, even if conditions aren't perfect. Evaluate results regularly. Change and adjust as needed. Build and work with a mastermind group. Stay committed, even when plans need revision. Conclusion. Organized planning is where your dream takes its first real, physical step toward becoming a success. With desire, imagination, and a flexible plan, acted on persistently, you can turn thoughts into wealth. The most intelligent man living cannot succeed in accumulating money, nor in any other undertaking, without plans that are practical and workable.
The mastery of procrastination. Successful people make decisions quickly and firmly. Unsuccessful people, on the other hand, take too long to decide and change their decisions frequently. Napoleon Hill. Summary. One of the major causes of failure is indecision, the habit of procrastination. Highly successful people have the ability to decide quickly and change their minds slowly, if ever. Decision is the point where desire turns into commitment and action. Without it, even the best ideas go to waste. The power of firm decisions. When you make a clear decision, you direct your mental energy with focus. A strong decision kills doubt, builds self-confidence, and signals to your subconscious mind that you are serious. The enemy. Fear of criticism. Many people fail to decide because they fear what others might think. Fear of criticism is one of the most powerful enemies of success. Never allow the opinions of others to dictate your decisions.
How to develop decisiveness. Train yourself to decide quickly, especially on things that matter. Accept the risk. Every decision involves uncertainty, but no progress is made without action. Follow through on your decisions with persistence. Outside noise. Listen to your own mind, not critics. Avoid group thinking. Don't let friends or family talk you out of your goals. Listen to advice, but make your own final decision based on facts and faith. Action exercise. Make a list of decisions you've been delaying. Set a deadline for each and decide. Track how these decisions impact your progress. Conclusion. Without firm decisions, your desires and plans are powerless. Successful people reach decisions confidently and stick to them. The world makes way for the person who knows where they are going. Indecision is the seedling of fear. Conquer it, and you will conquer almost everything. The sustained effort needed to induce faith. Persistence is to the character of man as carbon is to steel. Napoleon Hill. Persistence is the power that turns desire into its physical equivalent. Many people start with enthusiasm but quit too soon when faced with obstacles. The difference between success and failure
is often just a matter of hanging on a little longer. Why persistence is so important? All successful people have a habit of never giving up. When backed by desire, faith, and a clear plan, persistence becomes unstoppable. Most failures happen just before success appears. People give up too early. The building blocks of persistence: a definite purpose backed by desire, a clear plan and consistent action, a mind closed to all negativity and discouragement, a strong alliance with encouraging people, mastermind group.
How to develop persistence. Decide exactly what you want. Write down your plan to achieve it. Repeat your goal out loud daily with emotion and belief. Track your progress. Measure your consistency. Surround yourself with support. Avoid negative people. Common signs of weak persistence: giving up after one failure, changing goals too often, lack of self-discipline, procrastination, being easily influenced by the opinions of others. Practical exercise. Make a 30-day commitment to work toward your goal without skipping a single day, no matter how small the step. Note down each day's effort in a notebook. At the end of the 30 days, you'll see how powerful persistence really is. Remember, quitting is a habit, so is persistence. The more you stick to something, the stronger your belief and results will become. Most people never truly fail. They just quit too early. Conclusion: persistence is the iron quality of success. If you master persistence, you can achieve almost anything, no matter how big the dream. There is no substitute for persistence. It cannot be replaced by talent, education, or luck. It is a state of mind, and it can be cultivated.